Yo, what's up? Someone's on. Anyone I know? I don't know, maybe. Let's see if I could get this fucking. Got myself a mic. Got this cool. I used to have one of these, and I think I gave it to my nephew or something. Too bad. I wish I still had it, but I had to grab another one because. Jesus, shit is in the box, really good. Man. Anyway, Lefty. Yeah, that was rough, right? Tactical. I actually, honestly, I missed all of it. The only thing I caught, I had to run out and grab my. I got this. You know, the old school blue snowballs. Yeah, I had to. I bought my daughter a car last week, and I don't go to the DMV. I'm not a DMV unless I absolutely have to. So I had to go. I paid someone else to do it, so I didn't have to sit there for 3 hours, and I had to go pick up her plates and her registration and everything. And then I dropped, and then I surprised her and dropped her car off at her job, and then took my car because she was driving my car to work. So, and then I had to do some stuff when I got home, so I'm a little late. I apologize for that, but it is what it is, and I'm glad I missed it. But you know what? If you look at the chart, watch this. Watch the cues here. The fuck? Come on. What? All right. So here's the pivot point, but then we got into the orb. We finally crossed over, got up over VWAP, got into the orb, came back, bounced off of VWAP, hit the top orb, rejected, came back down to the orb, bounced off VWAP again, back into the orb, popped because, Jerome started talking, dumped, but bounced right off the bottom orb and then took off from there. Like, holy shit, And then we just hit a pivot point. Why is this not fucking dragging? This is annoying the shit out of me. All right. And I played that in my Take Profit Trader account, my new one I had to get. I paid it for $340 real quick because I still wasn't really ready to get on the stream. I was making myself quiet. It's like, I knew we were coming to the pivot point. Like, I'm going to play. We blew through some pivot points because we were popping, but it was starting to quiet down and we hit this one. I was like, I'm going to play it. We're super stretched. Like we're up like 250 points, or 300 points from the bottom. So I took a short. I could have gotten so much more, but I'm already at $1,036 in this Take Profit Trader account, but I could have gotten an Apex account over. But I'm a little frantic right now trying to get all this shit set up, and I'm annoyed that I'm running way behind, but whatever. I'm on now. Lefty, good shit, man. Good job securing your My Funded Futures payout. What are the payouts with them? Is this in? I guess that's in. All right. Setting this bad boy up right now. Okay. I don't think it needs to be that high. I'll make this a little lower. Get this thing. All right, let's see. Let's see if this works. Plugging this thing in now. I'm missing out on moves, but I want you guys to hear me better because my earbuds suck. So I got this cool mic. I'm gonna wrap the cord around the other side. All right, it's on. Mic check, mic check, mic check, chickadee check. Let's see. Yo, what up, Dom? I got the blue snowball. Well, this is a chrome one, but I'm good. How's the sound? I did. Brand new. Just plug this bad boy in. Right here. Okay. And you could, and then lefty, can you pull whenever you want? Minimum 1,000. But you could pull whenever you want. Is it kind of like take profit trader where once you're over the buffer, you could kind of pull whenever you feel like it? Still sounds like a laptop. I don't know, dude. Um, I don't even know how to change the settings, to be honest with you. Let's see. Audio, internal mic. Oh, here we go. Oh, blue snowball. Okay. Let's see. I just flipped it to the blue snowball. This thing on? This is 1, 2, 2, 3. Is it better? Well, either way, Lefty, great job. Yeah. Get that money. Take as much as you can. And then, yeah, well, let me show you guys what I got going. Speaking of pay, so this is a brand new eval I got over before. Before this, all this FOM stuff. Before I left, I got over because you know what I did? What I did today, like a fucking idiot. I fucking this was on day 2. I was up $759, and for like 10 minutes, I completely lost my mind, and this thing got new. It was moving around too much, and that's what I deserve. I'm okay with it. I'm not even mad. I'm annoyed. I was actually up. I was up, and I couldn't. I was up quick, and I couldn't fucking stop and fast enough, and it hit my take profit, and then it fucking went the other way. Maybe at that when I do that, I might need to do some sells, but sometimes it happens way fucking fast. And then I just started chasing, and I got frustrated, got emotional, and that's what happens when you get emotional. So that one's fucking gone. That's why I got this eval to replace it. And then also, this is a brand new one from today. This is 560.66. I did that with Jerome. I wouldn't trade a funded account during the FOMC meeting and Jerome talking. He's done talking because it's obviously not moving around as much. And then I have this. There's a moment you've all been waiting for. I'm on day 10. Gave myself a little bit more of a cushion. What's funny, so this will be my first eligible first payout. Yeah, officially. Today's day 10. So I guess tomorrow, the day closes, I'll be able to fucking see it in the down. I will make a video of me doing it for everyone to see. And yeah, fucking awesome. My first ever payout in this prop firm stuff. So I'm excited. You know what's funny though? You want to hear something funny? I started trading my with this fucking thing. Next thing I know, I found myself down like $300, $400, and I had to put back over. Only I would do something, but all in all, it doesn't matter now. Everything's good. We're all good. We're all good. You're hearing me with an echo? I don't. Fuck, man. Oh, you know what that is, bro? It's because my speakers. I have my speakers on. Tell me now. I had my laptop with my speakers on. I wanted to hear it. Let me put my phone on the phone. What I'm gonna do? I'm gonna turn the stream on with my phone. Listen to the stream on my phone. I just want to hear how it sounds. Do that. It's like a bad habit when my ears that I would plug into the mic jack would cut out. So I keep the volume low on my other laptop where I check the where I mon comments and stuff. And I think the volume was a little too loud, so you kind of heard that coming through as well. So let me see. I got that completely down. Let's see here. Sorry, bro. Sorry, everyone. Oh, what the fuck? Hear that? What the port. Am I still coming in double? I am. What the fuck? Oh well. I guess I'll be returning this thing, or maybe it's just a connection. Oh. This is really frustrating. Oh, the stream's glitching as well. No, everything's off. Let me take off the snowball and try. How do I sound now? I'm listening to myself too, but what do you guys hear? I'm not using OBS. I wish I was using OBS, Lefty. Sorry about that, guys. I'll figure out what. So it's this fucking USB port. It's something to do with the USB. Unbelievable. Anyway. Yeah, no echo no more, but now it's just shitty quality because I'm talking through the built-in mic. Anyway, well, sorry for the little commercial break there. I'm missing this monster move here. Holy shit. All right, so let me talk again. Let me tell you what's going on again. We can't get over this pivot point. Look at that pivot point rejection. Oof. Anyway, yeah, so I'm in the money here, locked in. Payout is locked in. All I got to do is request it, I guess, tomorrow or whenever this day closes out. It'll appear in my account. No, that's funny, Lefty. No, I've gotten up to 5,900 to not pull out. You have to get up to 2,600 on a 50K. I think, and on a 150K, it's 5,600. Babe, hold on a sec. I gotta say goodbye to my wife. Be right back. Be right back. Sorry, guys. A little more chaotic than usual. I had to give. I got my daughter. I got my daughter's car on the road today, and I took her garage remote with me because mine was in my car still, which was with her at work, and so I just gave her my remote. And she had to go somewhere. Anyway, What a dump. I mean, these don't look like big moves, but look, I just got to spread it out. We dropped from 93. We dropped 120 points, basically. Now we're coming back. Maybe coming back. Nice, Ree. Great job, Ree. Awesome. I'm in the money. I'm good too. I'm good too. Look, this is day 10. I gave myself a little bit more of a cushion, and I'll be requesting money tomorrow, I guess, or later on tonight, whenever it appears in the. It doesn't. I guess it won't appear until I get my 10 days in. So maybe tonight or tomorrow. I don't know. And then I fucked up this account. I fucked that up. Real unfortunate. And then this one's up. This is brand new today, up 566. Obviously, I stopped trading that. This is a brand new eval I got over before all this Jerome. So I did all this trading before Jerome. The only trading I did since the meeting, FOMC stuff, was like 20 minutes ago. I took this pivot point right here, the first pivot point rejection. I took it for $340, and I was still kind of I was frantically getting my coffee going and all this shit. I was like, oh, look at it. We're at the pivot point. Let me get some real quick, because I wanted to get on the stream because I'm running way behind today because I was doing some stuff, family stuff. And I got 340. So this is a brand new fucking take profit trader account to keep fucking nuking them. But I'm up $1,000. I might trade that a little more. Yeah, so Lefty, thank you, Ricky. Thank you. I'm very excited, if you couldn't tell. I'm actually exhausted. I was up last night. I passed out. I wake up at like 1:26. That's what I remember seeing on my clock, because I didn't put the dishwasher on yet. I had to put the dishwasher on and pee. And I looked at the chart, like, oh shit, we're coming down to a pivot point. So what do? I fucking hop on the stream. I hop on a stream and start trading. And I stayed up until after 4 o'clock my time. And then I woke up at like 7:40, 7:45 because I had to take my son to work. Yeah, the tactical, dude. Are you still trading 25K accounts? The 25K accounts suck on Take Profit Trader. Move up to 50. You have more than twice as much of a daily loss limit. You only have a $500 daily loss limit on the 25Ks. And I know you like trading 25Ks because the profit goal is lower. But the fucking daily loss limit is brutal on the 25Ks. At least on the 50K, it's more than twice as much. It's 1,100. But you have to get 3,000. But you can do it. You just got to take your time. You know, you've passed plenty of evals and stuff. You know, you just can't let yourself go down too much, and you can't let yourself hit it. But 500 is tough. If you're gonna on the 25Ks, you might as well just trade micros, like 3 or 4 micros. Oh, Dom, did you do it during this FOMC shit? I'm so annoyed about this microphone situation. I was so excited to use this fucking thing. Well, hey guys, just so you know, the next time, if you keep on the next re-up, you got to re-up your evals and test accounts. Just use my coupon codes, all right? Support the channel. You don't have to if you don't want to. I'm only messing around, but yeah, it'd be great if you could. Yeah, RJ. Yup. I mean, I'm a perfect example of not giving up. Like I'm on my 63rd and soon to be 64th fucking funded account. Damn, look at this dump. Pivot point for the win. Obviously, we blew through some pivot points during the Jerome pump, but you know, we were up 250 something points from the bottom, or 300 from the bottom. So I figured naturally we would reject off of this pivot point. Wow, we went all the way down and came back up. The shit is going crazy still. Is he still talking? Yeah. Oh man. Oh, Jay Lee. That's great news. Wow. Oh, yeah. It's funny. You're lined up to get all this money. Congratulations, by the way, on getting 20 funded accounts all at once and getting them all up 2K. It's funny how all of a sudden you're getting close to getting some big money, and they fucking throw the ID verification at you. But I bet you got it back, right? You got the account back? Oh, now no one hears me? Oh, Jerome. I thought you were saying me. Amit, what up, Amit? I thought you were talking about me. I'm like, fuck, no one can hear me again? I'm having mic issues today. Oh, that's great. That's awesome. I don't know if Jerome's still talking, but I want to ask you guys, what do you think what do you think the market would do if Jerome was talking at the podium and he was still like chewing on some like pistachio nuts or something, or he was chewing tobacco and he choked on it and died and he dropped to the floor? Would the market go up or down? What do you guys think? Yeah, it's going to be real tight, Ree. I was up. I was actually up over 3,000. I was at like 3,100 yesterday, and I fucking went down, almost went underneath. What's funny, Ree? I don't know if you heard before when I was saying it. I fucking, I went. I was down. I actually went underneath the 52,600 today. I was down like another. I was down like three. I was at like 52, 3 or 400, and then I pumped it back up. I almost fucking completely fucked myself today. Like, because I didn't flip. I didn't flip contracts like I should have, but it worked out good. It worked out, you know. Holy shit. Uh-oh. Pivot point. Oh my god. Okay. Oh, it's undeniable. I'm gonna fucking let me take a long here just in case. Maybe I shouldn't do two. Maybe I should do one. Oh, where is this? Oh, it's way under now. Oh, oh my god. Like it's so we're so stretched out. I got to change the view on my fucking screen. Jesus. Wow. What a dump from this pivot point. Look at it dump. Look at that. Jerome giveth and Jerome taketh. 93. We're down 160 points from that pivot point rejection. Holy fuck. Uh-oh. You coming back up? Like, this is getting crazy again. Did someone come back on? I'm not even paying attention to that. Someone must be talking. Oh, here's the hourly. Look at this. Hourly pivot point on the NQ. Look at that bounce. 27 points already. I missed all of it. I need to get another Apex account. I don't know, RJ. I kind of like just playing bounces and rejections off of certain levels. I know the trend is your friend, but right now, I mean, can we really play a trend continuation with fucking Jerome manipulating the market? I don't think so. But yeah, I mean, there's definitely a lot of opportunities when we're just like riding up and down, like right here. We literally rode up the 9 all the way up. I have to try that with one account, but I would do it with minis, on micros, I mean. But we literally rode that 9 all the way up. What a fucking bounce. I missed all of it. I'm so pissed. I wasn't fucking ready. I wasn't ready. I guess I could have done it in my Take Profit Trader account. I had the order in, actually. I had the fucking order in. Where was the order? I canceled it. What the fuck? I gotta move this up a little bit. How do I do that? I guess I can't. Oh, I know why, because this is down here. I canceled the order at 17,659. Well, that makes perfect sense why. But it did go up to 70. I would have been down big. Okay. Let me get another fucking. This one's on Apex. Let's see if we could push another eval over. I don't really want to trade my Take Profit Trader account anymore. I'm on another day one. And I'm up I'm up 1,000. I might again. I don't know. It depends on what the market gives, but I'm good with that. I still have to trade for another 4 days. You know, I think that's the problem. I think that's the problem I'm running into with Take Profit Trader because I've gotten close. I've gotten over 2,000 a bunch of times, and then I fuck it up. Like recently, after I had two pro accounts and meet them, um, I get close to 3,000, and then I fucking find a way to fuck it up, get a little fucking emotional, lose control, and then hit the daily loss limit real quick. So I don't want that to happen anymore. I'm up with, wow, this shit is fucking dumping. 3, 4. All right. Where are we at? We back at that hourly? Oh my God. We are at the hourly pivot point. Again, you know what? I'll fucking play one here. Can I get filled in time? Uh-oh, maybe it's not the right thing to do. Maybe it is. Let's see. Is it resistance now? It's going to fill me and then dump. Let's see what happens. Let me put a stop in place in case that does fucking happen. I'm only in 1 minute. It is going to happen. Because we're way under. Well, I fucked that up. Did I get taken? Oh, am I still in? No, I got taken out. Damn, that fucking sucks. See, I should have not fucking touched this shit. I should have just left it alone. But no, I had to. I'm so fucking smart. I completely missed it anyway. So fucking smart. What an idiot. As Chaz would say from Wedding Crashers. What an idiot. Let me kick something. What an idiot. Yeah. Yep, it became resistance. I fucking completely miscalculated that shit. Like a boss. Oh, look though. Here's a daily pivot point. Where are we? Oh, we're up here. Damn, this shit is so. I need to fucking readjust my zoom because we fucking popped. All right, here we go. That's still not good enough. Well, all my stochastics disappeared from this fucking screen, but whatever. Probably for the better. Wow, what a dump. Literally 200 points. 200 points. After this pivot point rejection. Oh, here comes VWAP. I will play a bounce on VWAP. Because, you know why? Because fuck them, that's why. What movie is that from? Actually, what show is that from? We're gonna hit it. It's gonna be at this 200. Maybe not. Oh, wrong fucking account. Jesus Christ. Get me the fuck out of here. Let's see what happens here. VWAP bounce. We're getting a VWAP bounce here. Well, we're way below it on the Qs, but right on it on the NQs. That would have sucked. See, I almost fucked myself. I wish there was a way you could turn this shit off so I don't accidentally trade in the wrong account. Oh, here we go. Oh, okay, now I'm in good shape. Let me fucking... Oh, no, don't do that. Locking in gains here. It's going to take me out. It's going to stop me out. It's going to stop me out because that's what it does. Always. Here we go. Always. Oh, shit. Let me exit before it gets too high. Oh, I'm up too much. I'm up too much. I'm up too much. Let me go short and give up. Oh, it's going to keep going up, though. Yeah, I need to fucking, yeah, take me out here. Perfect. All right, take profit trader, day one. Right at the 50% consistency rule. I am done trading this account. Exit all positions. You saw it here live. I'm logging out of this shit. I'm logging out. I'm done. Dunzo. All right, now let's play with a new eval, new Apex eval. Logged out. Closing the browser. All right. That would have been a nice fucking. That would have been enough to get an eval over. Let me make sure these are all canceled out. Let me make sure that's canceled out. I'm done with that. Let me make sure this one's canceled out. I'm done with that. 314, by the way, is a fucking failed eval pass attempt. And now we got 316. What's up, bro? I missed all of that, thank God, Trevor. What's up, Trevor? I missed it all. I was going to my DMV expediter's office to get my daughter's plates for her first ever car. But she's a newer driver. She got her license, like 6 months ago or whatever. I finally got her a car. So thankfully I missed it all. Although there were some really good opportunities. We had some crazy orb bounces. We had one here. I mean, we got into the orb, came back, bounced off a VWAP, went to the top orb, rejected the top orb, came back to the bottom orb, bounced off a VWAP, ran underneath it, went up a ton, rejected here for some reason, whatever that was. I don't feel like looking into why. Jerome must have said something. And then he said, oh, it's transitory. It's transitory. And then we bounced again off the bottom orb and fucking came here, bounced and then bounced off the VWAP, like we pumped. And then just now, so I missed all of that. And then just now we had this pivot point rejection. I got some of that. And I got a little bit more of it. I got this, what did I get? I got a bounce off of the fucking VWAP right here. That's what I caught. Nice, Jaffo. Great job. It's fun. Like you almost like wanna it's like one of those things with those meetings is like with FOMC, it's like you get two evals and you get into like you have an order for 3 short and 3 long, and one of them is gonna go over, you know? Thanks, Ricky. It's all right, Amit. I got it back. We good. We're gonna bounce off of it again. Oh, it's the 200. It's also the 200 on the one. What do I want to do here? I'll fucking play. Oh, damn. I missed it. It's already up 15 points. Maybe I'll get filled here. Probably not the best place to get filled. But you know what? We're fucking pumping a fucking eval over. Yeah, give me more. Uh-oh, we're going to dump here? Uh-oh. Oh, shit, we're under VWAP. Fuck me. What? That's the only thing that sucks about the Qs. Like, you don't know exactly what the number is on the NQ. Oh, this is why. I'm playing this. I'm playing this one. I'm on like 3 hours of sleep. I was streaming late last night. Oh, damn, we got 30 people. This is the most. Guys, thank you so much. This is 32 people watching the stream right now. It's the most I've ever had on a stream. I think the highest I've ever gotten before today was like 27. That's awesome. If you're not a subscriber to the channel, please subscribe to the channel. I stream every day. Usually, I like to get on around like 1:30, 2 o'clock. It's probably more like 2 o'clock, like 2 o'clock Eastern time. And then I'll stream at night too. Like if I'm trading at night, do I want to lock in these fucking games? Where am I? I'm not even paying attention. Oh, Captain, didn't even hit it. Oh, fuck, man. What was I up? I was up a fuck ton. Don't fucking do that. Get back up there. What was I up? 45 to 1600. I was up 2400. I can't go all the way down. I'll hit my fucking I almost hit my trailing match drawdown. There we go. Much better. What am I in 5? Hit this right here. Boom! Boom! You see it? Just passed. Just passed another one. Anyway, yeah. So I stream every day around like 10:30. Well, I'm in Vegas. I'm on the West Coast, but 1:30, 2 o'clock ish. I'll hop on until the market closes, and I'll be trading like a degenerate, like you just saw, like you're seeing me do right now. And then at night, if later when everybody's sleeping, like if I'm in a trade, if there's certain indicators that I like to work off of are in play, I'll hop on if I'm not too tired, and I'll stream at night too. And normally, I mean, normally there's like 12, 15 people hanging out on the stream, and we're all just chilling like we are right now. And damn, look at that! I wish I had another one. So I get another one? I don't know. This is 3. This is funded account number 3. This is funded account number 4. I mean, these are the times you want to do it. And of course, Apex. Apex was doing their 80% off and 1 day to pass for the month of April to celebrate their highest payout month, their highest payout ever. They broke a payout record. And sure enough, we knew they weren't going to go back to 71%. They extended it for another 30 days. So they're basically always going to be at 80% off. So what they need to do now is when you nuke a funded account. So I don't know if you guys know, if you haven't nuked a funded account yet, like I have so many times, like, I've nuked 61 of them. Yeah, I'm at 61 nuked funded accounts. But if you haven't nuked one, what they do is they'll send you an email saying, "Hey, loser, great job nuking another account. We're so glad you gave us that money. But hey, as our token of appreciation, here's a one-time use 80% coupon code to get another eval if you want to." They need to bump that to 90% because they're at 80% now. So there's no, and that code's not even as good. The one-time code that they give you after you nuke a funded account, the 80% is only good for the first month. So for whatever reason, it takes you more than a month to pass an eval, it will rebill at the full price. Whereas these 80%, the 80%, if you use my coupon code, that's flashing at the bottom of the screen or in the description. It says PWPPCGSEH. I'm still waiting for my custom code. You'll get 80% off every month for the life of that subscription. But you're not going to have it for a month. You're either going to pass it or you're going to fail it. And then it's still 1 day to pass, which the 80% coupon code they give you when you fail a fund, when you nuke a funded account is only 80% off and not 1 day to pass. You still have to do 7 days. So I don't even know how that would play out. They probably give you the 1 day. But anyway, doesn't matter. What's up, Future Savant? Hey, Boom. What's up, Boom? Thank you. Thanks, Tactical. It's that easy. Just kidding. I got lucky. I'm only on eval number 316. So if I passed my success rate of passing evals has definitely gone up, but overall, so I have 316. I'm at 63, 64, 65. I was under 20%. Now I'm over 20%. 65 divided by 316. I'm at 20.5% pass rate. I bet it's like 30 to 35% now. 1 out of every 3, I'd say. Like today, I passed 2 out of 3. Yesterday, I passed 1 out of 2 or 3. I don't remember. I wish they would go to 90%. We got a ton of people on the stream. We just had 34 guys. Awesome. Thank you. If you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button. Smash it. Tell your friends. Tell your friends. What am I doing? Bark? Anyway, little faint bark. Good thing she didn't start barking, because then they all would get into it. Yeah, I've never had this many people on before. It's crazy. Thank you so much, guys. Anyway, well, there's your little 1250 algo candle, a 350 algo candle, 73 to 50. So we're basically back at VWAP here. What do we reject off of? Let's see what we rejected off of. Oh, we're rejecting off of VWAP on the Qs, but we bounced off of VWAP on the NQs. Are we gonna do the same thing here, or are we gonna keep going down? This is the top orb on the NQ, and then the top. Oh wow, the top orb on the NQ and the Q are pretty much in the same spot. That's interesting. This is regular trading hours right here on the Qs, and then I have the NQs on. They call it electronic trading because I have it for all 23 hours. Here's VWAP. I mean, I'm not even trading right now. I don't have anything to trade. Just watching, just sitting here watching, thinking about, yeah, yep. Maybe the 355 algo will be a pump. Oh, now we're officially. That's the 300 on the 1 minute right there. That orange line. Are we bouncing off of that? What is it? Basically the top orb on the NQ. Did we hit the orb? The top orb on the Qs. Oh my God, this is a really good spot to play a bounce, but I don't know. Not on FOMC, anything could happen, but this is a really. I normally would play a bounce there, but if I were to, I'd be fucked right now. It's a really good spot to play a bounce, but we're coming all the way back. We're basically getting the value gap fill. As they like to say, is that like an ICP thing? That's something they always look for. The Insane Clown Posse trading crew. It'd be great if they came all the way. If they came down to the bottom orb, then you go long. Right now, what's in the way? All right, so we're at the top orb on the NQ, getting through it, blowing through it. What kind of moving averages are in play here? Oh, you got the 300, you got the 200 on the 5 minute. We bounce off the 200 on the 5 minute. I don't know. I think we're going down to the bottom orb. Maybe even the pivot point on the Qs. I don't even. Oh, here's my SMAs. I don't know what I have to redo all of my SMAs because this got like deleted. I must have removed it. I removed it and then from the Qs by accident. I must have hit the X button instead of hitting the eyeball button to not show it. So I got to reset all of those again. Hey, Dom, got a boy. It's quick. You could pass them quick. Yeah, you're at 52.7. We've got 2 more. Yeah, exactly. Just flip. You can. They don't care about the micros flipping as long as you don't break the consistency rule. 52.700. You're closing in. You're rounding third at that point. Good job. Yeah. Apex is 1 day to pass. Use my coupon code to get your next eval. I'm such a degenerate pumper of my coupon codes. I don't care. You're either going to or you're not going to. But yeah, it's 1 day to pass for it's been 1 day to pass at this point. Apex has been 1 day to pass for almost the last 2 months, and it's going to be 1 day to pass all of May. What I'm hoping for is they do a few days of 90% off, because at 90%, you could literally just load up a 50K account at 90% is $17 or $18. It's insane. But yeah, it's 1 day to pass, which is what right here, Future Savant. I just did this. Well, I think you were on for it. I just did this today. So tomorrow this will be another funded account, and then I did this one earlier before Jerome came on and started wreaking havoc on the market. I did this one earlier, so I got these 2 over today. It's a blessing and a curse because then you start chasing the 1 day to pass. What happens with the 1 day to pass to a lot of people, and myself included, is you got to be able to separate how you trade on a 1 day to pass versus how you trade take profit trade or test account and funded accounts, because you can develop bad habits, but as long as you wait for the proper setups. Oh, here's the 1255. We pumping or we just going to keep going down? This thing came all the way back. Holy shit. Amit, you called it, Amit. You called both algo candles are dumping. Wow. Fucking crazy. Yo, here's the bottom orb. We bouncing off of it, we blown through it. That's on the NQ. We blew through the bottom orb on the Qs, but now we're at the pivot point. Are we just blowing through everything? Holy shit. Damn, you must have fucking cashed in. Funded account, Amit, or evals? Thanks, Future Savant. Appreciate it, man. Really appreciate the support. Bouncing off. Wow. Look at that bounce. Right off of the pivot point. You see that orange line? And you got the lower VWAP band. Like right there, that move 47 to 70. I mean, that's 23 points. I mean, I don't know if it's going to hold, but that was a nice little bounce there. You know, this is like compressed, this chart. I don't like when it's too compressed because like sometimes because we had such a monster move, the chart compresses on Tradeovate, and like this little bit of movement could be 20 points and you don't even notice it. You don't realize it until you fucking look up at your open P&L and you're down $250. Nice, dude. Yeah, awesome, man. Yeah, Top Step is the next prop firm I'm going to try out. I might even try my funded futures soon. I just got to see if I could have a second account with my name on it because I have. So me and my business partner, I do online marketing, affiliate marketing, and like local lead gen for businesses and stuff. So I have multiple, whatever, it doesn't matter. I have two companies, but one I have with my partner, and he's a degenerate trader like me. And we actually have joint accounts. We have an affiliate account with my funded futures. We never actually gotten any type of accounts with it. We only promote it with like paid traffic. But we have the account and it's in my name, so I got to check with them to see if I could get another account for myself before I go start giving them money. But I like some of their rules, and right now they have some pretty good deals. Yeah, I thought I had AutoFit taken off. And sometimes these chart settings like kind of reset themselves. Let's see, chart settings, AutoFit chart. No, I don't have it. It's off. Now it's not. The other thing I got rid of, which annoyed the oh wait, hold on. Whoops, I don't want that. Did I just turn it on? No. It's not even letting me do anything with it. But there was another thing that would happen where, so you notice how I'm scrolling up and down? Before I realized that you could like unlock the chart, I could let's say you wanted to place an order like way up here, like for a rejection at some key level that you like to make a trade on, or down here or something you want to play a bounce. Let me get into the mic. Well, whatever. It used to basically not let you do that. It would take you right back to where you were. So I turned that off because it was fucking annoying. I couldn't. It was annoying like when you were trying to like maybe plan out like a future move based on what was happening. But I took that off, so now I could scroll up and down as much as I want. So I forgot which one that was. Let's see, chart settings. Continuous autofit. Yeah, this one. Yeah, it's off. The continuous autofit. Watch what happens when you turn on continuous autofit. So like, let's say I want to put an order in at like 18,000 for a short. It keeps moving. Like I'd have to like put one here. I'd have to put one here and then go in and manually change it. I'd have to modify the order. Same thing if I want to go down here to like 17,000 for a bounce. That shit's annoying. That shit drove me crazy for like 3 months, and I finally figured out, oh, I could get rid of this. So that's what I fucking did. Now you can move freely on the chart like you should be able to, So anyway, Tradeovate just hates us. Yeah, the best is when Tradeovate is glitching out and you get fucked. Like you end up like you're trying to enter a position and it doesn't enter you, so you hit it a couple more times, and then nothing happens, and you're like, oh my God. Then you're like, oh my God, it's happening. And then you go to exit all positions and cancel all, but it's on like a delay fill. So all of a sudden you get filled and you lose like $1,500 or worse, the account gets nuked. And then you'll hit up Apex or whoever, whatever prop firm you're in, and they'll be like, sorry, we can't, there's nothing we could do about it. It's a third party, it's a third party platform. Like, thanks. Yeah, I did trade. Yeah, I did trade the payout account. Mugs, what's up, man? You know what I did to that? You know what I did to that account? Well, before I show it to you, well, whatever. I'll show it to you now. I'm good. I'm still good, but I will. I will. I went down like $400, and I had to get it back up. I went underneath the fucking threshold like a fucking idiot, but I got it back up, and I'm good now. So, and I gave myself a little bit more of a cushion. So I'll have like 555. No, I'll have $655 of a drawdown, and I'll work out of that with like, yeah, it's locked in, bro. I'm done trading that. I've been done trading that. I did that way early this morning before Jerome came on, and then I nuked this one like an idiot. This one I had up 759 on day one, and then I had like a 10-minute momentary lapse of reason, and it cost me this account. I wish it would have happened with an eval, but unfortunately, it happened here. I don't know what the fuck I was thinking, but it is what it is. And then this is a brand new one. This is the one I got yesterday. Well, I got it today, but I passed yesterday. This is up 566. And then Mugs, I got this one over just before, earlier this morning actually, and then like literally 10 minutes ago, I got this one over. Where's the trade? Where is it? Oh, right here. Right here. Played a nice bounce. What did I play that bounce off of? A VWAP. I played this off of a VWAP bounce on the NQ and got 30 points. I was in 5. So I'll have 4 funded accounts tomorrow. This shit is still moving. Like this, there's still volume. I mean, obviously there's not as much volume, but are there any earnings on top of this FOMC stuff? I wonder. Qualcomm? What are they? I think they're QCOM, right? Yeah, here we go. Let's see what's going on with these clowns. Oh, that's the last hour. Well, that's basically thanks to Jerome. Let's see the last 5 minutes. They might be looking good. They're up 3% in the post market. Would Qualcomm does Qualcomm have enough juice to move the Qs in any direction? The NQs or the NQ or whatever? Maybe. But look at this bounce off the lower VWAP band. We went 431 in 5 minutes, 431 to 486, and then rejected off the 200. That's fucking crazy. See, like doesn't look like much movement here because the chart is kind of compressed. But if I spread it out, if I decompress it, if I decompress this, it's a pretty big move. You can see it better now, but it literally takes up the whole screen. That's how big of a move it was. 25 to so from here, 25 to 91. What was that? 66, 65 points in what? Half a minute? 1, 2, 3, 3.5 minutes? Fucking crazy. I guess Qualcomm does have some influence on the market. Wild. Could have passed an eval right there. You could have passed an eval with 3 or 4. 3. Let's see. What's 3,000 divided by 60? 50 points. Yeah, you could have been in 3 and passed an eval there if you just were patient enough to ride it all the way up. Nutty. Yeah, I'm pumped. I'm so, man. It's been a long time coming. I came close, but this is it, man. This is locked in for a payout. My first ever payout. I'm fucking pumped. I'm super pumped. Like that Uber, like Travis. I'm super pumped. Travis from Uber. Pool guy's telling me that he's coming through. Got to make sure the dogs don't go out. Yeah, I'm just texting somebody. Yup. What's going on here? Yeah, we're kind of going sideways now. Maybe the volume's a little dried up. We might be going up, pushing up a little further. 200's kind of in the way. That was a nice bounce. I guess that was QCOM. I think that was Qualcomm causing that. Any FOMC stuff is there's no more movement because of FOMC, I guess. I'm so pissed off about. I think it's something to do. This mic was like, I was like talking double. It sounded like I was stuttering. I just got this thing. I don't think it's the mic. I think it's this laptop. Because sometimes when I plug in, like, if I got to plug in an iPhone to like back it up, like if I get like my wife or a kid a new iPhone or something, I'll back it up on this laptop. And sometimes like it'll connect, disconnect, and then finally it'll stay holding. And that maybe that's what's happening. Why it's like double talking, because it's like keep continuously connecting and disconnecting, which is fucking annoying. I might just have to bite the. I don't know. At some point, I might have to just get another laptop. This one's a 2015 as well. I got two 2015 MacBook Pros, and they've been so good. They're so good. I've had this one. This one I bought used for like $800 a few years ago, and then the other one that I'm using to look at the comments, I bought brand new in January of 2016, and this thing is still. I mean, I've had this thing for fucking 8 years. Thing is still going strong. Well, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 27, 20, 20. Yeah, 8 years, 8+ years. Thing still works great, but I couldn't. When I started trading, it couldn't handle, Trading View, my work stuff, E-Trade. It couldn't handle everything. It just was getting bogged down. So I got this other laptop just for trading. Is what I'm using right now. Like what you guys see is my trading laptop. But I think I'm gonna have to like get a new one at some point. Not a new one. I don't buy new MacBook Pros. I'll buy a used one. But yeah, that's what's going on here. We going up? Going up for another ride here? I don't know. Get an M1 chip, bro. Yeah, I want to get an M1 with at least 32 gigs of RAM. The used ones are fucking. Let me see. Let me look on the marketplace on Facebook. Obviously I could chew somebody down. I'm good at chewing people down. MacBook Pro M1, 32 gig. Let's see what's out there. 500. Well, let's see. How many? 16 gigs of RAM. Probably would be enough, but I don't know. Dude. M1 Max, 32 gigs of RAM plus 1 year Apple Care. This must be a newer laptop if there's still Apple Care on it. Let's narrow down the search. I got my radius at 250 from when I was doing my car search for my daughter. Let's do 40 miles. So I'm not going into freaking Cali. Let's see what's going on. Yeah, we're just going sideways now. There might be some movement one way or the other, but I mean, it's still like the candles are kind of moving pretty fast still. But I don't know. If anything, maybe we come back down to the bottom orb right here. That's the bottom orb on the NQ. And then maybe we go up to the top orb. That's 33 points from here. And then on the Qs, we're basically, well, this is where it ended. I have this set to regular trading hours, but look, right here, this is where the market is right now. The Qs are right now for the post market, and it's right at the bottom orb. So I don't know. Let's see here. Pro M1. How many gigs of RAM does this bad boy have? 13-inch. I want a bigger than 13-inch. 8 gigs of RAM, and you want 900 for this thing? Oh, it's a 2020. I heard the 2020s are when the MacBook Pros got good again, Dom, see? That's why I like these 2015s. They're like the best ones that were out for a while. You know, they had that stupid like touch bar thing and all that shit. Now they're kind of back to normal. And they changed the trackpad. I heard that the bigger trackpads suck. I don't know. That's why I've been rocking my 2015s, because those are like the best ones that they ever made. I still have a 2017 from 2010. I don't use it, but I have it chilling in a box somewhere, chilling in an Apple box. What's this market doing? Anything? Support it for? Yeah, M3. Yeah, they're already obsolete. They were obsolete before they even came out. Whoops. What are we doing here? M1 chip doubles RAM and has support for video. M1, whatever the RAM is, technically it's double. Okay. Yeah. Oh, okay. I could get it with 16 and it'll still count as 32. Yeah, I'm not getting AppleCare if I'm getting a 3-year-old Mac. I'll take my chances. I took my chances with the one I'm using right now. It's been pretty good. I'm well out of the AppleCare range with the original one. There used to be this site called Mac Mall. You probably heard of MacMall.com. That's where I would get all my MacBook Pros, all my Apple stuff, because you could get a MacBook Pro for $200 less there than like anywhere else. But they went out of business, which is fucking sad because they were around forever. We dipped back below the orb here. Does that mean we're coming back down? Oh, look, we're back at the orb, the bottom orb on the NQ. Is this going to bounce here? We got to bounce here? Or are we dipping underneath it? Any pivot points in sight? Let's see. No. The daily pivot point is 462, actually. Whoops, not the weekly. But that would be interesting too. But here's the daily. We're right on the daily pivot point. I don't know how much weight that carries versus the hourly and like the 5 and 15, but there it is. There's always something going on around pivot points. So here we are at another one, which also happens to be the bottom orb, right? So, and here's a pivot point on the Qs for the 5-minute. We're right at all of that stuff, which could mean support. No pivot point in sight on the Qs on the hourly. Let's see the daily. No, just the 5 and 15. Well, let's see. Oh, is there resistance now? Yo, M1 Max and 64 gigs of RAM. That machine must be like $4,000 new. Hey, a lot of people dropped off, but hey, there's still 24 of us hanging. I guess once they realized I wasn't gonna do any more degenerate trades, they bounced, or they actually have a life and they had something to do. Well, maybe they're getting new test accounts and evals with Take Profit Trader and Apex using my coupon code. I think that's what they're doing. That's what I'd like to think. But yeah, man, I'm gonna have to do something. Maybe after a couple more payouts. I'll just roll with this the way it is for now. I do want to figure out how to get this, maybe I could plug in, I got other ports on here. Maybe I could plug into a different port. Like I got this HDMI port and I got those other lightning ports or something. Maybe I could take the lightning port and it's like an adapter that goes to a USB and I could plug in there and it'll work. I'll see what I could do. Yeah, we're just hanging right here. I mean, I don't expect there to be much more movement in any direction. Yeah, I'm not really sure. It looks like it's starting to calm down. There'll probably be some sort of move like before it closes for the day. Around 5 o'clock. Running into close, but I don't expect any gigantic movements happening right now as we start to dump. But I don't really expect there to be much. Where? When? RJ, when? Imagine if I would have just went with the trend at the pullback you tried to buy at. When was that? I mean, I'm up. I mean, I just passed. I couldn't. I can't trade anything anymore anyway. I didn't want to trade this account anymore. I was already up 566 from hours ago, and then this one, I don't need to trade this anymore. This is locked in for a payout, so why even fuck around? I already fucked around enough today, and I almost found out, but luckily I was able to recover. And then I pumped this one over, this eval over. So there's no point in pushing that anymore. And then I did that out. I did that before the FOMC meeting. Oh shit! Here we go. Here's a pop. Jeez, 44 to 60. And then this one I just pumped. This one I just pumped over before the market closed right here. I played a VWAP bounce off the NQ and got 30 points. So I don't know. Oh, and then I don't. I logged out of my Take Profit Trader account, but I'll log back in and show you. I got my Take Profit Trader account as high as I can get it because it's a test account, and you can't. They have a 50% consistency rule. You can't go over more than 50% of your profit. So I can't. I'm not going up more than 1,500. I was actually over. I had to go back under. Yeah, well, hey. What up, Bull Tent? What's going on, man? You know what that is? It's fucking Jerome. FOMC bullshit. Yeah, Vime's drying up. It's starting to get. Dude, tactical. That's only something you or me would do. Normally, though, normally under typical degenerate circumstances, that probably would have backfired on me. But today, I was able to make some smart trades to get it back. I got out of the minis and I stopped fucking with the micros and went minis. Oh, the 1 hour pivot point. Yeah. Let me look at the chart. I got to log into my account though. I gotta stop hiding my screen. I mean, stop sharing my screen. So you got to look at my ugly mug and my big honker. 1 sec. Bear with me. Hope I don't have any boogers. Let me share the screen again. Turn this bad boy back on. Entire screen. Yes, yes, yes. All right. So yeah, I mean, there was nothing else for me to do. I'm up $1,488 in this Take Profit Trader account on day one. And then, like I showed you before, I got this one over like 20 minutes ago, half hour ago, in one trade. And I got this one over earlier today, basically in one trade. This one's at 566. Let me see the hourly pivot point. I think you're talking about the NQ, not the Qs. Yeah, I caught a lot of this rejection though. I wish I had more accounts. Like this rejection was insane. That was like I mean, dude, holy shit, man. We went down. We basically went down to back where we started before we pumped. Like, what a pump. Now we're forming the head and shoulders. Here's the shoulder. Here's the head. Do we go sideways and then dump some more? That'd be fucking crazy. But we came down from 17,792 all the way back down to 425. That's 270 points. Wild. Where you at, RJ? I'm gonna look for that comment. See if there's a time. Is there a time? I wonder if there's a timestamp. Oh, the trend continuation moves. Yeah, yeah, I know, man. I want to be better at that because I was saying before, I did reply to that, but yeah, dude, like on the way up, um, let me compress this. Like we literally rode up, like during I guess all that FOMC pump, we literally rode up the 9 the whole way up. Came back below, bounced off the 34 a couple times. I love the 34. Rode up this thing, but yeah, like it seems like if you could just if you got it, if like it's a like RJ, it's like a muscle I have to develop to be able to just stay in a position and ride up a trend until it breaks the trend. You know what I mean? But right here, it kind of broke the trend. I would have got shaken out, but I would have been up already a bunch, maybe. Actually, no, it came all the way back down. But yeah, like ride this whole fucking thing up, that 9, and then on the way back down, we couldn't get back over it. We just kept staying underneath it. Look at that shit. Holy shit, bro. Yeah, man. It's just another tool I want to add to my toolbox. But you know, I'm still working on mastering the ones I do like to trade, which is VWAP. I like trading VWAP, including the upper and lower VWAP bands, the orb, the top and bottom orb, bounces and rejections, all that fun stuff. Pivot points. I also been drawing my own lines of support and resistance, and those have been pretty good. I'm actually pretty good at drawing those, but I didn't draw any today. But anytime I draw those lines, like if I once I normally I get it right, and then shit, like there's so much action. Like it'll literally get, let's say it breaks support and goes resistance dumps, it'll come back up and hit it and reject off of it, and vice versa. And then I love I love the 34. I love bounces and rejections off the 34 EMA and SMA on the 1 minute. Yeah, tell you, tactical man. Um, on your next take profit trader test account, get a 50, get a 50K. Don't get a 25K. That fucking $500 daily loss limit is brutal. I would like on Apex. That might be the best account dollar for dollar because it's you get a 1,500%, $1,500. The profit goal is $1,500, and then your trailing max drawdown is $1,500. So it's literally one to one. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. It's the best ratio out of all of the Apex evals. But in Take Profit Trader, it's a $500 daily loss limit, and I think it's like a $1,200 max drawdown, some shit like that. But dude, $500, you can lose $500 trading micros like real fast if the shit goes the wrong way, and you get a little, you get a little. You don't even need to go on full tilt. You get on like partial tilt. You know, you get on partial tilt, and that $500 daily loss limit on a Take Profit Trader test account, a 25K test account, that shit comes up real quick. But at a 50K, you have 1,100, so it's more than twice as much. My beautiful blushing bride just walked back in the door. So, try. What, babe? Yeah, he texted me. I actually didn't. The last couple of times the pool guy got here, like he lets me know so I don't like let the dogs out there. Cause I have 3 dogs. They won't do anything, but you never know. And of course, I like literally the guy just gets here, and I saw the text, and I fucking lost track of time. He he just gets here, and I open the door like an idiot, and my dog like runs right up on him. Doesn't do anything, but he runs right. My boy dog ran right up on him. If it was my sister's old pit bull that we had to put down a few months ago, he probably would have bit him. Not probably, he would have definitely bit him. He didn't fuck around. He didn't like people. He didn't like people that he didn't know coming anywhere near any of us. What, babe? Oh, you gotta wait, Looney Tune. Yeah, bro. Tactical. Um, get a 50K take profit trader account next time. You're good with the 25Ks on Apex because of you got a good drawdown. But on Take Profit Trader, 500 ain't shit. And right now, guys, if you haven't tried Take Profit Trader yet, they have a promotion going on. It's 40% off any size test account. And then, if/when you pass the test to go pro/funded, they call it pro, Apex calls it funded. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot, Luna. Hey, sorry about that, guys. Hey, speaking of the dogs, hey, hey, go lay down. Go lay down. Good job. Thank you. Thanks for letting us know. Now everybody knows. All 22 people watching know that the pool guy's here. But yeah, it's 40% off any size test account and then $0 upgrade fee. Yeah, maybe, dude, Tactical, maybe you should just stick with Apex with their 80% off. I know it adds up, bro. Trust me. I know it adds up. Look at me. 63, 64, 65 soon, tomorrow, What's up, Beefcake? I did good. I secured the bag in terms of this account being on day 10 and eligible for a payout withdrawal. So now I guess I wait for tomorrow for it to show up in the drop down, and I'd say, pay me. I'm taking all of it. I'm taking all 2,000 that I could take. That's the max you could take on a 50K. And then unfortunately, I fucked this account up. I had a fleeting moment of weakness, and it didn't take long. That shit was done. That was on day 2. It was up pretty good too. I was up $760 yesterday. This is a brand new one. Got this up 566. And then this is eval I got up today. Pushed it over for the 1 day to pass with Apex. That was before Jerome. And then just before I pushed this one up 30. I wrote a 30 points with 5 to get over. It was on a VWAP bounce. So I'll have this will be what do we got here? 1, 2. This will be funded accounts 3 and 4, and then my Take Profit Trader account. Let me just make sure I am fucking exiting all positions and canceling, even though I probably did that already. I'd like to do it a million times to make sure no employees from Apex log into my account and start fucking trading in my shit. I don't think that would ever happen, but I don't trust anything. So I just like to quadruple check to make sure that I have no open positions. All right, and then here's my Take Profit Trader account. Another day 1. I had to get another one. Day 1, up $1,488. So I'm halfway there. Just got to be smart for the next 4 days. I would like to push it over, by day 3, but whatever. We'll see what happens. What about you? You do good today? Hell yeah, no activation fee. That's a great deal. If your pass rate is high, that's a great deal. If your pass rate is low, there's probably better deals elsewhere. But the biggest draw for me with Take Profit Trader is the fact that you could once you go over the threshold, you could literally take money out every day, even on day 1. So that's what I'm gunning for. You just have to be smarter with them and more conservative because they do have the daily loss limit, which is fucking brutal. Yeah. I'm with you, Muggs. I agree. It's doable though. Almost impossible. I see guys doing it. I see guys doing it. You know the guys I'm talking about. They're doing it. And you know what I know about them and us? They put their pants on the same way we do. 1 leg at a time. So if they can do it, I can do it, you can do it, and everybody else on the stream can do it, But obviously, everybody has their own path and they have their own pace, and we're all paying our tuition in different ways. So, it'll come when it comes. Thanks, Ellipsis. Thank you so much. Finally got my first one. Long time coming. The first of many. Right? Man, what's going on? I secured the bag. I secured the bag. Here it is. Right here, day 10. Gave myself a little bit more of a cushion. There it is, right there. It went good. Had a little momentary lapse of reason here and nuked number 62. That was fucking bad. It didn't even take long. But 63 is up. Got these two evals over. So I'll have 3 and 4 funded accounts. I'll have 4 funded accounts starting tomorrow. My brand new Take Profit Trader test account again, but it's up $1,500. So overall, a great day. Honestly, it's an amazing day because I didn't fuck myself. I didn't screw myself out of a payout with my fucking fund with number 57. So I will be securing my first payout once it shows up in the account. Yeah, beefcake. It's a real account and it's not. I mean, how much is it gonna cost you? It's gonna cost you the price of an eval. So I don't know if you're gonna do Apex. If you're gonna do Apex, use my coupon code to get 80% off. If you're gonna do Take Profit Trader, use my coupon to get 40% off and no upgrade fee. Apex will give you the 1 day to pass, but like at least you're not using your money, right? You're using, you're not using to trade. Like, yeah, it's gonna cost you $37 for a 50K account with Apex. So it's technically not real. You know when it becomes real? When you're funded and you get yourself over the threshold. That's when it becomes, this is real now. Anytime I see money, like anytime I'm green in a funded account, I look at that as real money. But really, what does it cost you? It costs you the eval and the upgrade fee to go funded. So that's why I like prop firm trading. Like if I was using real money, I would have fucking lost my shirt by now. Because I probably would have traded differently too. Oh yeah, awesome, man. Future Savant, thank you. Appreciate it. Appreciate the support. I know, dude. Ellipsis. I know. The goal is we're always, I mean, I can't see any of us, we're all human. We all, we have emotions. I can't see any of us ever ever completely stopping doing dumb shit. The goal, right, is to just spread out the time, put more time in between when they occur. That's what I'm working on. But like I did dumb shit today. I did dumb shit yesterday. Last week I had 500 accounts, and then I was down to 1, and then today I started the day with 3. Now I'm down to 2. But then tomorrow I'm going to start with 4. So like I got to stop fucking nuking funded accounts. That's the biggest thing for me. Trade day. I've heard of trade day. I've heard of trade day. What's going on with trade day? Let's see. Wow, Qualcomm's up 4%. Trade day. I've heard of them. What are their rules? We fund futures trade. Best payout policy. Is it? No fee may. So they're kind of like along the same lines as Take Profit Trader. Blah, blah, blah. All right, let's see the pricing. Blah, blah, blah. Hoobly ha. Is it Trade Evade? 50K. That's expensive though. Well, I mean, it's the same as Take Profit Trader. Trailing max drawdown. 150K. That's not a $7,500 profit target. That's not bad. Calculate end of day max drawdown. That's cool. So like if you go down 2,000 midday because of one bad trade, they don't fucking nuke you. I like that. 5 minis. So they're not letting you fucking size up too much to get yourself in trouble. What other sizes do they have? 12K target for. Yeah, interesting. What is this? Oh no, it just rolled through. Yeah, that's pretty cool. FAQs. Let's see the payout rules. Like I'm not like I like Take Profit Trader. I'm committed to them because I want to get my first payout. But I'm not opposed. I'm not I'm not married exclusively to Take Profit Trader and Apex. I'm always down to try new ones. I wanted to try Bullinox, but you can only use Rhythmic, and I can't use Rhythmic on a fucking Mac unless I buy like some fucking third-party shit that's like $60 a month to like log in remotely to some Microsoft desktop. I'm not doing that. So unfortunately, that's not going to happen. All right, so let's see. What is a funded SIM account? What are the rules for funded traders? Funded blah, 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 blah. Can I trade news? View all 22. Minimum withdrawal amount of 500. $2,500 target. That's cool. How many days do you have to trade? Oh, they actually pay with a wire. That's cool. They do let you do crypto. That's cool. Just move it right into a crypto account to do more degenning. How do I get up on set up on? Oh, they do RiseWorks. I have RiseWorks. Please take a look at payout policy here. That doesn't really say. 7 days. Well, 7 days for test account. How many days? How many days do you have to trade before you can withdraw money, be eligible for a payout, op man? Trying to find something on my computer, on the internet. Oh, okay. Bear with me. Let's see. Where's my stream? Hey, Jaffo, if you're still on, thanks for the subscribe. Really appreciate it, man. Really appreciate the support. Anyway, let's see if we're doing anything with the chart. Yeah, we've just literally been going sideways basically since the market closed. I mean, there were some little pops here and there. But yeah, we're just going sideways. Yeah, that's fine. Every day. I like that. Sounds like take profit, except for there's no daily loss limit, and you got the end of day trailing max drawdown. I think that Top Step does something similar. Do they use Trade-Evade? Let's see. Can you do Trade-Evade on here? Trade-Evade. What trading platform does TradeDay use? Oh, they have their own. They do Trade-Evade, I think. Oh yeah, Trade-Evade. Beautiful. Good to know. Do you trade RTY? No, I do not. That's, what is that, the Russell? Someone else was trading RTY. I think Ree was trading RTY. I think that's who was talking about it. I think that's the Russell. RTY. Let me just confirm that. RTY. Futures. Yeah, it's the Russells. The Russell. How do you like trading the Russell? I mean, it kind of did the same thing. It pretty much did the same thing as the NQ and the Qs. Popped. And so I'll keep an eye on it. I'll look at it. Maybe there's some things I'll notice happening that I could take advantage of. Jeez. I'm trying to log into an account. I keep fucking forgetting the password. Is that it? Am I in? Finally. Jesus. Interesting. All right. So, yeah. So I think I'm going to, let's see, this week we've seen some crazy moves and there's only maybe more to come. Yeah, every day there's crazy fucking moves. It's slow. It's a slower NQ. Okay, Beefcake, I see what you mean. Isn't the ES the same way? The ES moves the same way as the Qs, but just not as violently. Moves the same as the NQ, but just not as violently. Yeah, it's pretty similar and higher. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Like ES is 25 cents. 20 well, for a mini. If you're trading minis, it's $25 a tick. So it's $100 a point, right? It's $12.50. It's $12.50 a tick. So it's $50 a point, I think. I haven't traded it in a while. Yeah, 12. Yeah, $12.50 a tick. I knew it. I'm just so used to being in more than one contract. Yeah, I was trading it. Yeah, I was trading it in the beginning, and then like I started trading the NQ when I saw how much more it moves, and how more violent. I like violence, but maybe that's what caused that. Maybe that's why I blew through so many accounts. Very possible. Yeah. You know what? You don't need to trade the NQ, man. If you're comfortable trading the Russell, then just trade the Russell. The NQ is insane. Some people have gotten off the NQ and trade only gold. That's another one. You know? Yeah, that's what, dude, Dom, that's my mentality. I want to make take profit trader my bitch too. I'm finally starting to make Apex my bitch. Got one payout secured. Oil popping, dude. I fucked with oil, bro. HO shit is, or CL is crazy. That's crude, and then HO is like this home heating oil shit. Stay away, especially during like overnight hours. You'll take a position in HO and be like one mini HO during the overnight. The spread is so bad you'll be down $600 before it even moves in either direction. Ah, okay. HO is natural gas, or that's what HO is? Well, let's see. Natural gas, natural gas. Oh, MCX. What is HO then? HO is, yeah, oh, it's this, like New York Harbor, whatever this is. This thing is crazy. HO. Do not trade that during the overnight. All right, so anyway, I'm gonna run, guys, because I gotta take care of some business stuff. I gotta talk to my wife about something too, and I still have to make my update videos. Just I got some stuff to do, and there's nothing going on with the market. I'm done trading anyway. But I really appreciate you guys for hanging out. Today was a record turnout. I had like 30 something people watching at one point, which is amazing. So thank you guys so much. Thank you. If you're not a subscriber yet, subscribe, hit the like button, all that fun stuff, and hope you guys all made some money today. I will see you soon. I'll see you on the next one. I'll be on tomorrow. I might be on later on tonight. And it was fun hanging out with all you guys. All right. So peace.